In the energy quadrant today, crude oil gets hammered really badly, worst day it's had basically since August 1st, down over 3.5%. We are now down 5 of the last 6 weeks in crude oil, getting down to about 53.24 today, approaching that 52 handle, which we haven't seen really in months. The reason and really the full weight of the sell-off came after the Chinese tariff announcements. China is going to impose tariffs of varying degrees on 75 billion of U.S. products, including crude oil. There's been talk since the start of the trade war. When was China going to actually use that weapon of putting tariffs on U.S. crude oil coming into China? They're finally going to do it. That's the threat that's been levied. We'll see if there's any response by the U.S., anything like canceling trade talks that are set to begin in September. But either way, the major sell-off in crude oil happened after that announcement and after the specific part of that announcement applying to crude oil. It hit commodity prices across the board. Base metals got hit. Precious metals rallied. So all of the reactions that you would normally see from something that is economically depressing happened after those Chinese tariffs. And then again, that specific point on crude oil hit the price of WTI worse than most commodities. And then later in the day, rig counts fell. After having the first rise last week, in the previous 7 weeks, a move from 764 on rigs up to 770, we got a 762 number this week. So all the way back, not only a negative number, but all the way down past the previous week's number that last week rose on. That may seem convoluted, but we now have 7 out of the last 8 weeks lower in crude oil, and we're down to about a 2-month low in the amount of rigs that are producing crude oil. Again, crude oil getting hit over 3.5% today.